Welcome to our presentation on art therapy, a powerful therapeutic practice that combines creative expression with psychological healing. Art therapy is a powerful therapeutic practice that combines creative expression with psychological healing. This course is designed for individuals looking to explore the profound impact of art in supporting mental well-being. Whether you are a health and social care professional or someone passionate about creative healing, this course is for you. This course is ideal for health and social care professionals, counselors and therapists, educators and teachers, artists and creative practitioners, and anyone interested in personal development and mental well-being. Art therapy encourages self-expression and emotional release, reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, enhances self-awareness and confidence, supports trauma recovery and coping strategies, and improves cognitive function and problem-solving skills. By the end of this course, you will understand the principles and benefits of art therapy, develop skills to facilitate art-based therapeutic activities, learn how to support individuals through creative expression, gain knowledge of ethical and professional considerations, and be prepared to apply art therapy techniques in various settings. Our course offers online self-paced learning with interactive modules. Upon successful completion, you will receive a certificate. Choose this course for expert-led content by professionals in the field, a flexible learning schedule, applicable skills for both personal and professional growth, and a recognized certification to enhance career opportunities. Enroll today by visiting our website, emailing us, or calling our contact number. Join us to start your journey in art therapy.